Hello friends, let's learn what are relative pronouns. As the name suggests, a relative pronoun is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously. For example, this is the book that I borrowed from him. Here, that is a pronoun which is referring to the book which was mentioned previously in the sentence. So, that is an example of relative pronoun. Another example. I talked to the girl who wore red dress. Now here, who refers to girl, which is the noun which was mentioned previously in the sentence. So, pronouns like who, whom, whose, what, which, that, etc., which refer to the nouns previously mentioned in the sentence are relative pronouns. In case you are confused, let us understand in a better way. Let's take an example. I met Mr. James whose car was stolen. Now here, whose is the relative pronoun. To understand this, let us understand what do you mean by independent and dependent clause. In a sentence, independent clause is a part that can stand alone as a complete simple sentence. Whereas dependent clause does not form a sentence on its own. You can say it does not express a complete thought. In this sentence, I met Mr. James. This is a complete sentence with a full meaning. Hence, it is independent clause. Whereas this part of the sentence, whose car was stolen, does not make a complete sentence on its own, and hence it is a dependent clause. Now if you see, whose is the relative pronoun which joins or links the independent clause and the dependent clause. So another definition of relative pronoun could be a relative pronoun links independent and dependent clauses. This is the book that I borrowed from him. Here, this is the book is an independent clause. It's a complete sentence on its own. Whereas, that I borrowed from him is a dependent clause. It does not make complete sense on its own. So, that here is the relative pronoun which is linking the independent clause and the dependent clause. Next example. I talked to the girl who wore red dress. Here, I talked to the girl is an independent clause. Whereas, who wore the red dress is a dependent clause. Now here, who is the relative pronoun and it is linking the two clauses. Hence, it is an example of relative pronoun. Let's see the last example. The bike which broke down on the way was repaired by him. Here, what is the independent clause? It is the bike was repaired by him. And which broke down on the way is the dependent clause. And which is the relative pronoun which is linking the two clauses. So now you must have understood what is a relative pronoun. The man whom you met yesterday is my uncle. Here, whom is the relative pronoun which refers to the man, that is previously mentioned noun, and it connects the two clauses. The man is my uncle is the independent clause and whom you met yesterday is the dependent clause. Another example, he wore the jacket that he bought in London. Here, that is the relative pronoun and it refers to jacket, the previously mentioned noun. Another example, he wore the red jacket which he bought in London to the party. Here, which is the relative pronoun and it connects the two clauses which are he wore the red jacket to the party is an independent clause and which he bought in London is the dependent clause. So to summarize what we learned today, who, which, that, whom, whose, when, why, where, what are certain examples of relative pronouns. And what are relative pronouns? A relative pronoun introduces a dependent clause and it connects to an independent clause. She is the woman who baked the wedding cake. As you can see here, who baked the wedding cake is the dependent clause and who acts as a connector linking the two clauses. So that was all about relative pronouns. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.